stairs. I walked through a lonely road, and all I could see is stairs. Whispers of prayer, beauty is all what someone could ever ask for. But I wonder, because I was 15, but my body has memorized the ways of shame by 10. I knew too well how the stairs from men felt like. I knew how beauty crawled into my body and tied the rope I never untied. They say beauty is everything a girl could ask for, but mine taught me life with trembling hearts and pants undone. It's whispers, it's okay, while tearing pages from the book of my girlhood. They say our body is the temple of God, that God created us in His image, that beauty is a blessing. But if our body is a temple of God, then why do I tremble anytime I try to find worship inside it? Every night, the bed creaked like it was crying for me. The moon looked away, and I closed my eyes so tight until I become used to the darkness. How do I tell the world that beauty in my life is a curse instead of a blessing? That I stopped wearing dresses because beauty made me a prey. That I lost opportunities. That I learned the sense of sin before I ever learned my own sin. That beauty brought only pain in my life. My body became a haunted house, and nobody cared about my emotions. I guess beauty that killed me, but not with a knife, but with a silence so loud it echoed anytime I blinked. I regret being beautiful. Started to believing that beauty is a curse instead of a blessing. I slept with one eye open as my mind wandered about the pain, the torture, the blasting that wouldn't wash off. My neighbors, they never saw the pain, or maybe they did, but who listened to a girl crying in agony in the name of beauty in the world that washes it? I tried to talk to Mama. She says I should pray harder. That beauty is like a magnet that sometimes attracts bad people, like I was the sin for being their temptation. I learned to carry my body like a baggage. I learned to breathe in guilt. I learned to flinch when a man smiles so sweet. I was 15, but my body bore the weight of secret that ate me beyond bones. If trauma was addressed, then I wore mine to sleep every night. People call me blessing, but I call myself temptations ready to be preyed on. And if you are wondering why I speak in half sentences, that is because even now I can still feel dejected. Thank you.